Do you want to monetize your YouTube? Do you want to monetize your Facebook page? Then in this video, I'll be sharing 5 tips on how you can monetize your Facebook page within 5 minutes. If you're interested, leave a comment below and I'll send you the link. You have a Facebook, you have a phone, and you don't know what you're doing and you're short of money, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll be giving you tips on how you can start making money on your Facebook page and making use of your smartphone. So if you're interested, leave a comment below because I'll be sharing you step to step on how you can monetize your Facebook page within 5 minutes. The steps to take, what video to create to go viral, and how you can get it done. The hacks and how you can attract audience on your page. So click the button below and let's get started.